Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to a wonderful Wednesday. Today we're doing lesson 6, problem solving. You'll want to turn to page 561 in your book. We are going to go ahead here and begin in a second. But before we start, we need to begin our Wednesday with a Wednesday wacky joke. So let's go ahead and let's start. All right, Mrs. Went, pull it back up. Your first joke is this. What do you get when you cross a tiger and a blizzard? A tiger in a blizzard. You're going to get a frostbite. Your second joke for the day is this. What do you get when you cross a caterpillar and a parrot? A walkie-talkie. So share those with your family today. And then you can also share all your new knowledge of problem solving. Our strategy today is going to be making a table. This isn't a table like the dinner table. This is a table in which you're able to visualize all your information and solve your problem. We're going to start with breakfast. The breakfast special at Darla's Diner comes with 3 pancakes. 5 friends order the breakfast special. I have 5 friends. Each of the specials come with 3 pancakes. And my question is, how many pancakes will they get in all? That's what we want to circle. We have some magic words there. They're woo words. Woo, woo, woo. Because it says in all, I know I have to be doing operation addition. I need to be adding something. So I understand what I need to find out. I've underlined all my important information. My plan is to create a table. The table is going to be very visual. I have my friends and the number of pancakes. So they say that each special comes with 3 pancakes. So one friend would get 3 pancakes. 2 friends, the waitress is going to have to bring out twice as many pancakes. So if there's 2 friends, there's going to be 6 pancakes. 3 friends, well, you need 3 more pancakes. So 6, 7, 8, 9. I need 9 pancakes. 4 friends, add 9 plus 3, we would have 12. And last but not least, for 5 friends, we would have 15 pancakes. So your answer is 15. Very easy to do when you have a table. Is your answer reasonable? That makes sense. If you would have came up with 215, I would have been a little worried. So now let's go to the next page. On the next page, we have this. Each person in the class has the same number of pets. 2 people have 4 pets. How many pets do 7 people have? All right. Well, they've started the table for us. The information I know would be this. I know that 2 people have 4 pets. My question is then, how many pets do 7 people have? Well, if 2 people have 4 pets, that meant one person had 2 pets. Half as many, correct? I'm going to follow this pattern. This is a pattern, it looks like, of add 2. So 3 people would have a total of 6 pets. If 4 people, 8. How about 5? How many pets would 5 people have? You're right, 10. 6 people, 2 more would be 10, 11, 12. A lot of pets in this room. Lastly, 7 people. Well, 7 people with 2 pets is going to be 14 pets. So, is my answer reasonable? I'm going to take a look. 2 people had 4 pets. Okay, got it. 3, 6, 8, 10, 12. I'm skip counting. And it is reasonable. There's a lot of pets. Let's turn the page. Apply the strategy. On this page here, we are going to start with Desiree. Desiree has 4 pairs of socks in her drawer. How many socks are there in all? Well, with my table, I have labeled it as pair and socks and all. We know for every pair of socks, you've got 2 socks. Generally, when I do the wash and pull my socks out of the dryer, I'm missing a couple. I'm not sure what happens to that, but we won't go there. Right now, 1 pair is of socks. 1 pair would be 2 socks. We know then that 2 pairs would be 4 socks. We know that 3 pairs of socks is going to be 6 socks. And last but not least, 4 pairs of socks. And I could skip count 2, 4, 6, 8 socks. Desiree has 8 socks in her drawer. Mr. Minnick needs to deliver 60 boxes. His car can hold 10 boxes at a time. How many trips will he need to make all 60 boxes to deliver this? This is my question. How many trips does he need to make? So, my friends, we're talking about 60 boxes, 10 at a time, and he has to do 60 boxes. We're going to go ahead and pull up a chart here. So with this chart, we're going to show, hopefully this will all work. So with this, I have my trips and my boxes. So on the first trip here, I have my first trip would be 10 boxes because that's how many he can take on each trip. On my second trip, 10 more boxes. So that would be a total of, he's delivered 20 boxes. On the third trip, 10 more boxes. All right, but I have to get a total of 60, so I have to keep moving. He's going to make a fourth trip. It's going to be 40 boxes. He's going to make a fifth trip. He's got 50 boxes. He's going to have to make 6 trips to make his 60 boxes. If we had to add, if we wanted to say a rule to this type of problem, this is a problem where it's a plus 10 is the rule. You added 10 each time. Now, you can go ahead, draw your chart here if you'd like. Explain however you'd like to also. Let's go down to number 3, though, while we're all together. Juice boxes came in packs of 4, all right? So a lot of times your mom will buy juice boxes, and in this case, they're coming in little packs of 4. Mrs. Perez needs 22 juice boxes. The question is, how many juice boxes should she buy? We don't want to come short, because if I was buying this for my class, and let's say we had 22 kids in this class, and I would have to buy my juice boxes, I certainly wouldn't want to short anyone, and then some poor student wouldn't be able to get his juice box. Let's create a table over here to the right. My packs of juice. I know that 1 pack of juice has 4 juice boxes. So let's see if I have 2 packs of packs of juice boxes. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, now I have a total of 8. But I need more than that. Let's pack 3 boxes of juice. Add 4 more. Okay, now I can take 8 plus 4. I can take care of 12 kids. I'm still not there, though. 4 packs. Add another 4 to 12. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, I can do it. Then if I want to add, we're going to have to do another one. How about 5? Add 5 packs, which would be 4 more to 16. Gives me 20. Oh, but I need 22. So here I go. I'm going to have to buy 1 more. Now 1 more is going to give me 24, which is good. I have more than I need, but I have to buy at least 6 packs. So the question is, how many packs should she buy? She should buy 6 packs. And you can maybe even make a little note. Well, she'll have 2 left over. 2 are going to be left over. They didn't have you answer that type of question, but you know that. Let's go ahead and turn the page over here to our next problem. And we have Erin, and Erin has some muffin pans. We're back to some muffins. Here it says her muffin pans, each muffin pan can hold 6 muffins. So here would be the information I know. I know Erin's got 3 muffin pans. I know each pan can hold 6 muffins. The question I need to answer is, how many muffins can Erin bake at one time? Well, let's go ahead and pull up our muffin pans. So here's my muffin pans. I've got 1, 2, 3 muffin pans, and each muffin pan can hold 3 muffins. I'm drawing, in this case, I'm drawing a model. Models are great. They're easy to understand. So now I just have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I can do 18 muffins. Now, my friends, the other way we could have done this, it would have been easier. I could count by, all of my friends know how to skip count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Or you also know 6 plus 6 is 12. I could have added just 6 more to it, lining my 1s up and my 10s, and voila. No matter what, I have 18 muffins. Let's take a look at Susie, Simon, and Sean. They each have 4 water bottles during their softball game. The question is, how many did they have in all? Okay, in all. Those are the woo words. So then we know we are going to be adding. We have 3 people. We have Susie, Simon, and Sean. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to draw circles for each one of them. Each one of them have 4 water bottles. So I might just make 4 tally marks on each of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I could have also simply written 4 plus 4 plus 4. You always want to show your work, though. I want to know how you've solved this, whether it's a pattern, whether you added 3 numbers. For some of my friends, you may have said there's 3 people times 4 water bottles, and you may be to the point where you can multiply 3 times 4, which is basically just 3 groups of 4. Either way, you came up with the answer of 12. Mr. Bell wants his 21 students to put on their gloves to go outside. The question is, how many gloves do they have in all? You know that with gloves that they're going to go ahead and you have 2 gloves per pair. So if I have 21 pairs of gloves, I need to add another 21. Each student has 2 hands. So if there's 21 students, I need to add 21 plus 21. And you can write your total right there. Let's take a look at the next one. Next is your homework for lesson 6. I don't believe there's any hang-ups here. The first part of your page here, 565, read through it, just explains how we made a table in this lesson. Then on the last part, you only have 4 questions. And so go ahead, underline what you need to know, circle what you need to find out. Don't be afraid to either make a table, create a model, draw a picture, whatever you need to be able to solve to get your homework done. You guys have a great Thursday. Mrs. Swint, we'll talk to you later. Or a great Wednesday. As I'm recording, I'm getting confused at which day is what. Take care.